Hi TPM, it's Lynn from What If You Can again. Let's make another splash today. We're going to look at the A in splash, and the A stands for awareness. And in this context, we're going to look at self-awareness. Self-awareness is crucial if we want to live our best life. It's also really important to improve and have good mental health and build resilience. So let's look at what do we mean by self-awareness, why is it important, and how can we improve our self-awareness. So self-awareness is just a clear perception of ourself and our personality, our thoughts, our beliefs, our values, our strengths and weaknesses, our likes, our dislikes, our behaviour, our actions, our motivations, our emotions. There's a lot to it. We're complex creatures. And it all starts with taking an honest look at ourselves. It's very easy to tell ourselves tales, isn't it? But good self-awareness is really being honest with ourselves. Part of self-awareness actually would help as a student because it's understanding how we learn. It's understanding our individual learning style. And that's crucial if you want to get the most out of your course. So why is it important? Well, self-awareness is important because the more we know ourselves, the more we understand others too. And we also understand better how they perceive us. So that helps us improve relationships with our family, with our friends, with our colleagues. And that's important, isn't it, to have good relationships. We're also in control more of our emotions. We can understand the actions that we're taking, why we're doing it. It increases our ability to make changes when things aren't going our way. We can look at ourselves honestly and see what different actions, what different behaviour we need to get a different result. So it puts us in charge of our life. It facilitates self-determination because we'll be happier, we've got better relationships, we make better choices, better decisions about our life. We can better reflect on the situations and how we've reacted to certain things in our life. And we can decide to make a change if we didn't get the result that we wanted. It also helps with problem solving because solutions come from the way we perceive the world. And how we perceive the world depends on how we perceive ourselves. So you can see how important self-awareness is. It really is important to every single aspect of our life. So what can we do to improve it? There are lots of things, but let me just look at a couple here today. One of them is actually mindfulness or meditation. Much the same thing really, but I guess mindfulness is today's name for meditation. But it's really good if you give yourself time. You can start very slowly with a couple of minutes and keep increasing, where you're just sitting and being. And you're really sort of listening to your heart voice rather than your brain. Thoughts will come and go, but you don't pay any attention to them. And there are really lots and lots of great meditation, mindfulness supporting tapes and music available on the internet now. So it's really something good to try, just to be quiet and still. And do it once a day if you can. It's a great way to start the day. Another thing to do is to reflect on yourself and how you've been that day. Review your day in a really honest way. And I'd suggest keeping a journal. It's a really good way to look at yourself and look at what's happened. Look at some of the situations that happened and how you dealt with them. And are there ways you can improve them for tomorrow? Look at one thing you learned about yourself, as well as putting in some things that you're grateful for in your life. That always gives you a good positive feeling before you go to sleep. So a journal is a great way. Mindfulness or meditation, just being still and being with yourself. And then the other way is asking others, get some feedback. A great way to do it is to write down 3 words that you think describe yourself. 3 positive words that describe you. And then ask others, your family, your colleagues, your peers, your mentors, to describe you in 3 words. without telling them, of course, what you've already written down. The results might be quite surprising, but ask for honest feedback because that will help you grow. You might even want to ask what one of your weaknesses is, and you could work on it. Always play to your strengths, but it's good sometimes to be aware of your weaknesses too. And you might want to write down what your weakness is before you ask anybody. So self-awareness is crucial to mental health and building resilience, and it's really, really important when you want to live your best life. So I'd love you to start some practices for self-awareness. The journal, the mindfulness, the asking for feedback, and let me know how you get on. Enjoy.